The restyling of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S 680 has gone into history as the most profound update of the flagship model. Engineers and designers have managed to combine advanced digital solutions with handmade traditions, creating a car that is perceived as the epitome of supreme luxury. The scale of the transformation has affected literally every aspect of the car, from the silhouette of the body to the logic of interaction with the driver and passengers, thanks to which the sedan has acquired a new character while remaining an unmistakably recognizable representative of the Maybach line. The exterior of the model has been noticeably transformed due to a number of expressive accents. The radiator grille has increased by 20% and is now complemented by contoured LED lighting, emphasizing the monumentality of the appearance. The headlights and taillights are decorated with three pointed stars and rose gold inserts. This detail adds jewelry sophistication to the lighting equipment. Special attention should be paid to forged discs with branded hubcaps, which maintain an upright position even while driving, creating a levitation effect. The image is complemented by thoughtful illumination. 64 Maybach logos are placed on the body, and the inscription on the grille is made in a luminous design, which makes the car visible both day and night. The interior has become even more technologically advanced and personalized. For the first time in the model's history, the car is built on the MB architecture, an OS that supports ChatGPT-based generative AI for voice assistant operation. This allows the machine not only to execute commands, but to conduct a meaningful dialogue with the user. The front panel is designed as a single super screen glass screen, combining devices and multimedia displays, which forms a minimalistic but extremely informative interface. At the same time, the brand has not abandoned the principles of sustainable luxury. Mireville fabric is now available for interior decoration, a high-quality textile that completely eliminates the use of natural leather without sacrificing tactile comfort and visual sophistication. The comfort of second-row passengers has been brought to an unprecedented level. The seats fold out to an angle of 43.5 degrees and are equipped with massage and ventilation functions, allowing you to turn the trip into a relaxing experience. The equipment also includes a 10-liter refrigerator and a set of silver-plated champagne glasses. The power plants are offered in two versions depending on the market. For selected regions, the iconic 6-liter V12 bi-turbo engine with a capacity of 621 HP, 664 Newton-meters, remains providing a reference smooth ride and acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.3 seconds. In Europe and China, the electrified 4-liter V8 with a flat crankshaft and a 48-volt mild hybrid producing 612 HP, 450 kilowatts will become the main one. Both variants are combined with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a fully controllable chassis where the rear wheels turn at an angle of up to 10 degrees, improving maneuverability and stability. The cost of the car remains flexible due to the manufacturer made-to-measure customization program. In the United States, the basic version with a V12 engine starts at $244,400, and taking into account the options, the price at dealerships usually ranges from $270,000 to $320,000. In Europe, the hybrid V8 model is offered from €250,000, while limited editions can reach over €400,000, reflecting the exclusivity and depth of customization available to customers.